All right, let's continue working on our player movements. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do some speed booster, or we can call it turbo or acceleration or so on, basically. And this mechanic is pretty commonly used in those types of games. And it can be also pretty fun. So we have some speed, which we can run or move or whatever. But we can also have some additional speed, additional movement. For example, when we click left shift, I don't know, we can basically have that additional speed, additional turbo. So to do that, let's open our player movement script, and we will need to create two new variables. So let's say public float, and let's first call first one run speed, and we will need second one, but this time I will make it private float. Let's call this one current I don't know, current move speed. And this current move speed will control what kind of speed should we have. So we will have two speed modes. This move speed will be our regular speed, and run speed will be our turbo speed. So after our move direction, what we can do, we can simply get some very easy logic that if we are touching some specific key on our keyboard, something should happen. So to do that, we should say if input dot get key down, or just let's use get key, and in the brackets we can say key code dot. Well, it's up to you on what key you want to have your turbo, but I will do it on my left shift because I'm used to it. So when we are touching our left shift, what should happen? Well, we know that we want to change our speed and we want to have some additional speed. So it means that our current move speed should be in the mode of the turbo, right? So in the mode of this run speed. So we can say current mode speed should be run speed. But in all other cases, if we are touching the left shift, basically, our current move speed should be equal to just our move speed, our regular speed, right? And only thing that we should change now, instead of saying move speed, we should say current move speed. Because right now this current move speed is what is the variable that is controlling what kind of speed mode should we have, regular or turbo. And that's pretty much it. A very simple way how you can have some kind of acceleration for your player. And now let's go back and let's check. Let's select player, let's scroll down, and here we have this normal move speed, which is 5. And let's make run speed to be something like 15 for now, just to see the difference between them. Obviously, this 15 will be too much, but okay, we can move regularly. But when I click my left shift and when I move, you see that now we are moving much faster. It means that now we have some kind of turbo and speed booster, which is very nice.